Have you ever wondered, why do we fall for the people we do? Why do some relationships feel effortless while others feel like a battlefield? And why, even when we know better, do we repeat the same patterns in love? Welcome to the Love Psychology, where we unpack the why behind love so you can love smarter, deeper, and more intentionally. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through the hidden psychology of love, what draws us to certain people, the unseen triggers that make or break connection, and the science-backed habits that can help you build healthier, more fulfilling relationships. This isn't about cheesy dating tips. This is about understanding your heart and your brain so you can finally love with both one, the brain in love. Let's start with the science. When you fall in love, your brain is flooded with dopamine, the same chemical linked to reward and addiction. That's why love can feel intoxicating, like you can't stop thinking about them. Then there's oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, released during hugs, intimacy, even deep conversations. It's the reason a simple touch can feel like reassurance that everything's okay. But here's the twist. Our brain isn't just responding to the present moment. It's also reacting to our past, our childhood attachment style, our early experiences of care, comfort, and even conflict. That's why two people can experience the same relationship very differently. Understanding this is the first step to breaking free from unhealthy patterns. 2. Attachment styles. Explained, psychologists identify 4 main attachment styles, and knowing yours can change everything about how you date, love, and communicate. Secure attachment. These people find it easy to trust and feel close. Anxious attachment. They crave closeness, but often fear being abandoned. Avoidant attachment. They value independence so much that intimacy feels overwhelming. Disorganized attachment. A mix of wanting closeness but fearing it at the same time, often rooted in early trauma. Here's the key. Your attachment style isn't your destiny, it's just your starting point. Knowing yours allows you to communicate your needs clearly, recognize your triggers, and work towards becoming more secure in love. 3. A story, the mirror of relationships. I want to share a story. A woman named Maya kept falling for emotionally unavailable partners. She thought she just had bad luck, until she realized something powerful. Every partner I choose is a mirror for the parts of myself I haven't healed. Maya grew up feeling she had to earn attention, so unconsciously she kept choosing people who made her prove her worth. That's the truth about relationships. We're often drawn not just to who excites us, but to who feels familiar. And sometimes, familiar isn't healthy. When you understand that your choices are often guided by old patterns, you get to break them. 4. Emotional triggers in love. In every relationship, there's a moment, often during conflict, when logic goes out the window. Your partner says something small, and suddenly you feel rejected or furious. That's a trigger, not just a reaction to your partner, but a flashback to an earlier wound. Here's the science. The amygdala, the brain's emotional alarm system, reacts to perceived danger in just 0.2 seconds, long before your rational brain kicks in. The secret to staying connected during conflict is learning to recognize your triggers and communicate them. For example, instead of, "You never listen to me," try, "When you look at your phone while I'm talking, I feel unheard." This shift changes blame into vulnerability, and vulnerability invites closeness. 5 pillars of loving smarter. Now let's talk about how to love smarter. Here are 5 powerful, psychology-backed practices that can transform your relationships. 1. Self-awareness before partnership. You can't build intimacy with someone else if you're a stranger to yourself. Spend time journaling. What do I need to feel safe in love? What are my boundaries? 2. Communicate to connect, not to win. In disagreements, ask, what's the need underneath this argument? Most fights aren't about dishes or text replies. They're about wanting to feel seen, valued, or safe. 3. Learn each other's love languages. Words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service, gifts, touch. Knowing your partner's language prevents unnecessary misunderstandings. 4. Practice repair over perfection. All couples fight. The healthiest ones know how to apologize, listen, and reconnect. It's not about avoiding conflict. It's about mastering repair. 5. Grow together, not apart. Healthy love means supporting each other's individual growth, dreams, careers, healing, while nurturing the bond you share. 6. Guided reflection. Exercise. Take a deep breath. Think of one relationship that matters to you, maybe a partner, a friend, even a family member. Now ask yourself, what pattern keeps showing up between us? Is it rooted in fear or in love? What's one small step I can take today to show up more open, more patient, or more honest? Small shifts in awareness can create big changes in connection. 7. The future of love is conscious. Relationships used to be about survival, then they became about romance. Today, the healthiest relationships are about conscious partnership. Two people growing as individuals while building something meaningful together. When you understand the psychology behind love, you stop chasing fantasy and start building reality. A reality that's more fulfilling than any rom-com. If you've ever felt stuck in love, misunderstood, disappointed, or repeating the same painful cycle, know this. You're not broken. You're just learning the language of love no one ever taught you. Here at The Love Psychology, we believe that understanding yourself is the first step to loving others better. If this video resonated with you, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of relationships. Share this with someone you care about, because we all deserve to love and be loved wisely.